Hi guys, Caleb here with Sportsland out here at our new location. Today we're actually going to be talking about our Crossroads Sunset Trail 222 RB. It's one of our smaller, lightweight rear bathroom models. It is one of our fiberglass models, so it's one of our lighter, nicer units. We'll start right here at the front. So you're going to have the lipper, the solid steps going up into the trailer. Friction hinges on the doors, 25-mile-an-hour winds it will withstand too. So it's kind of a nice feature, then you're not getting little clips that are getting broke off when the winds start blowing. Another thing about this trailer is its extreme weather package. What that means is it does have upgraded insulation. The other awesome thing about it is it's a heated and insulated underbelly. So fully covered. The heat is actually going to dump off into there, keeps all your tanks nice and warm and everything else. On top of that is going to have a 12-volt heating pads on each tank. Inside there's going to be a little switch you flip that's going to turn on those heating pads on those tanks from freezing over. Moving forward here, you are going to have 4-corner powered jacks, which is nice for setup and takedown. Much quicker, much easier, better for everybody all around. Next thing, huge pass-through storage. And a couple cool things about this one. It does have an LED strip going all the way along in there, which makes it nice and bright trying to find your things. On the other side also, it's going to have a little light that is motion activated. As soon as you open up those doors, that light's automatically going to come on. Moving towards the front, one of the cool features about this trailer is it's one of the few left that have this. It is actually an open windshield on the front. It's going to lead into the bedroom, which gives a lot of open natural light as well. Strong, no worries about breaking, rocks hitting it, things like that. It's very durable. Power tongue jack makes setup easy to take up and take down. It is going to have the two propane tanks with it. Right behind it, two things we got behind the tanks. On one side, we're going to have a port for your solar. So if you want to hook up your suitcase solar, you can do that. Also, right behind next to it is going to be a battery disconnect. So if you're going to leave your trailer for an extended period of time, you can actually kill those batteries so you don't run out of you're not draining your batteries. Coming to the driver's side in the storage compartment, it is going to have a little, your inside we're going to call it your control panel, your wet dock if you want. So that's going to be your freshwater fill, city water connection, and your black tank flush. With that, you do have a little port here to run all your hoses, your cables through to help with that insulation factor as well. Also inside of there, it is prepped for solar. So if you ever want to add solar on top, you can actually put your charge controller on the inside. It's already prepped on top for solar panels as well. Another nice thing that the Sunset Trails have, they do have a quick drain. It's a much bigger drain than your traditional trailers have. You pull the tab, it's going to empty within seconds versus opening it up, going down the road, and it draining the whole entire way on your trip home. So. Moving towards the back, you will have your 30-amp plug connection towards the back. Makes it you can get your generators, your plug-ins, everything a lot further away from where you're kind of recreating and doing all your stuff outside of the trailer. Towards the back here, we do have a spare tire. We are prepped for a backup camera. That's a feature you ever want to add. It's all ready to go. Pop the plate off, plug the backup camera in. You have that feature as well. Outside spray port, it will come with a coiled hose for that spray port there. And then it will have your key TV connections in here for your satellite, your cables, park hookups, things like that. Towards the rear outside here, we do have an outside kitchen, which is very uncommon for anything other than a bunkhouse. So that's kind of cool to have on this one. You will get the grill. It's actually not a stove or anything else. It is actually a grill. And then you will have the outside fridge, outside sink with hot and cold. And then you do have some storage up there as well. That's pretty much for the outside, guys. Let's move on to the inside. We'll check it out. So one of the nice things that I do like about this trailer is as soon as you walk into this thing is this huge pantry door right here. Great for shoes, coats, jackets, whatever you need, and just also all your food items too. Huge pantry. This is really your entertainment area. Nice big 40-inch TV. That's going to have all your Bluetooth connections. It's going to have your radio, built-in antennas, Winegard antennas, whatnot for that. Awesome there. Up above it, you are going to have some storage. Down below, you have storage as well. Moving to the back kitchen corner here, you do have microwave. This one is nice because a lot of them are coming without the ovens anymore. This one does have an oven in it. Has the blue LED illumination and has a 3-burner gas cooktop on it as well. Dual sink, stainless steel. It is going to have the pull-out faucet, which everybody loves when they're doing dishes and whatnot. Solid countertops as well on this. Really nice finishes, coloring schemes to these ones. A lot more modern and up-to-date. That takes us into the bathroom. That's kind of the big thing with this. It's a huge rear bathroom, tons of room, nice big shower, toilet area, and then huge linen closets actually on both sides for all your towels, your clothes, walk-in shower. Doors there. Walking back out of the bathroom, we are going to have a 2-way fridge, gas and electric fridge. That's going to be an auto switch, so if you do run out of propane and you are plugged in, it will automatically switch those features there. Next to the fridge, we do have our lounge area. So this is a really cool setup. So it's kind of the best of both worlds. You are going to have a nice little table there that does remove, so you can just have all that seating. Also that area, you'll take that off, that turns into a bed. This gives you a nice big bed that you can actually have for guests, for the kiddos who want to stay there, or just a nice place to sit and relax. Moving towards the front of the trailer, this is that bedroom. Huge king size bed, which is awesome. You have a bunch of room, you don't have anything to worry about, especially if you have dogs, heck, they can jump up in there with you. Offside the bed, you do have some back kind of storage there. You're going to have 110 outlets on both sides as well as USBs for your phones. Plenty of storage up above for your pillows, blankets, things like that. Offside of the bed, you do have some wardrobe closets on both sides. Tucked back in, you can't really see it, but it does have a TV mounting location. Has your 110 outlet as well as your key TV hookups for that as well. And then you do have your privacy doors that will close. That's it, guys. So this is the Crossroads Sunset Trail 222 RB. A nice little rear bath floor plan, nice lightweight for a lot of your smaller trucks, SUVs, things like that. Again, my name was Caleb at Sportsland. We do have 2 locations now. We have our State Street location, which is at 4001 South State Street, and then also our airport location, which is 4988 West, 150 South, out here by the airport in Salt Lake City. If you guys have any other questions, please feel free to reach out, give us a call, come down and see us. We'll get you all taken care of. Thanks, guys.